Hello and welcome to today's maths tutorial. Now first things first, do not copy me because I've written on my fridge door, but I have checked that it wipes off, okay? So we're going to be learning how to find percentages of amounts, and there is a support sheet to help you, but I just thought I'd talk you through it step by step so that it makes sense. So what you need to look at is the amount that you're finding the percent of. That amount is equivalent to your whole, and a whole in percentage terms is 100%. So we're going to start from 100% and look at the quickest route we can get to get from there to the percent that you're looking for. So we want 40%, so I need to think, what's the quickest way for me to get from 100 to 40? So I think my first step will be to make 100% 10%. And to do that, I know that I need to divide by 10. Whatever I do on this side, I'm going to do to my amount as well. So I'm going to divide 200 by 10, and 200 divided by 10 is 20. So now I know 20 is equal to, equivalent to 10%. How could I get from 10% to 40%? I'm going to let you think of that before I tell you. Yep, I'm going to multiply by 4, okay? So 10% to 40%, you multiply by 4. And I need to remember to do the same to this side. So we're going to multiply 20 by 4. 20 multiplied by 4 I can do in my head, that is 80. 80 is equal to 40%. So 40% of 200 is 80. Easy as that. Have a go.